Leres chika, Tony Pangilinan, inaming may relasyon talaga sila ni Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang sinabi niya sa isang private interview kasama ng Showbiz Insider. Bel has really been my type since I first met her when the James Patin Dave days. She's so pretty, simple and kind. And I didn't know why. I was always looking for her. We didn't meet in 2017, so I was really happy when I finally saw her again in 2019. She looks her and even more beautiful. And I asked her to go out with me and have a dinner together. I confessed my feelings for her, that she's been my type since 2017 at lalong lumalim ang feelings ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang nararamdaman ko, pero naramdaman ko na siya ang babaeng hinahanap ko. She also said that she didn't know how to feel because of our toxic fans if they found out that I like her. Kaya tinanong ko siya kung may nararamdaman din siya para sa akin at sumagot siya ng oo. And doon ko niligawan hanggang sa sagutin niya ako.